Hey, welcome to Lesson 3 of WooCommerce Pre-Orders, Product Settings for Pre-Orders. In this video, we will learn how to configure a pre-order for both simple and variable products using the WooCommerce Pre-Order plugin. Go to the products and click on Add New Product. Here you can write the name of the product here. When you scroll down here, we can see the option of product data. The pre-order can be enabled for either simple or variable product by clicking on this drop-down. Either you can select the simple product or variable product. You can choose your own option from here, then go to the General tab. Here you can add the regular price, or if you want to add the sale price, you can also add the sale price here. Then we will go to the Inventory tab. In the Inventory tab, you can add the SKU, Stock Management. If you want to track the stock quantity for this product, you can check this option. After checking this option, you can add the quantity here. Then we have stock status. Either you want to go with in stock, out of stock, or on back orders. You can choose your own option from here. Then we have sold individually. If you want to limit the purchase to one item per order, you can check this option. Then we have a shipping option. You can add the weight, dimension, or shipping class if you have created it. Then go to the link product. You can add the upsells or the cross-sells for the product. Then we will go to the attribute. In the attribute, you can add a new attribute by writing the name of the attribute here, or by writing the value here. If you want to make this attribute visible on the product page, you can use this option. After adding the attribute, you can click on Save Attributes, then we will go to the Advanced tab. In the Advanced tab, you can add a purchase note, menu order, or enable reviews. For enabling reviews, if you want to enable the customer reviews on your product page, you can check this option. Then we have a pre-order. In the pre-order, if you want to enable the pre-order for this product, you can check this option. In the availability date and time, you can add the availability date and time and set an optional availability date and time for when the pre-order product is available for purchase as a regular product. Only future date and time are valid. You can choose your own date here. If you want to add the time here, you can select the hours and the minute here. After doing this, I'll click on Done. By that, you can add the availability date and time. Then the pre-order fees, you can add your own fees here. This allows you to charge an optional pre-order fee on top of the regular product price in whichever currency you set for your store. Then we have a charge. You can go with up on release or upfront. In the up on release, a pre-order product charge upon release is not charged until the product is made available for the purchase. That is to say, stop being a pre-order product. This can happen either by the optional availability date and time being met, or by a shop admin manually completing a pre-order. Then we have upfront. A pre-order product charge upfront is charged at the checkout, as would be a normal product. You can choose your own option from here. After doing this, I'll click on Publish or Update the product. Now, we are on the front end of the product page. As you can see that a pre-order product would look like this. You can click on Pre-order Product to purchase the product, and you can also select the quantity here. That's how you enable pre-order for simple and variable products using WooCommerce. With pre-order, you can build and secure sales even before your products are available. This is a wrap on product settings for pre-orders. Don't forget to subscribe to Sleekr Digital for more useful tutorials.